Many friends don't know the inverter with charging. How to connect it. Today, I will show you the overall demonstration step. Connect the positive and negative electrodes of the power supply to the power input port of the inverter. Note the wiring direction of the positive and negative poles. Connect the red wire to the positive pole and the black wire to the negative pole. After ensuring the wiring is correct, turn on the inverter power switch. Check the inverter's working status, whether it is normal. Finally, connect the inverter to the socket. Complete the power on.